Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Let's go. Hey, look at what they delivering, man. These are Renegades. A truck fleet of Renegade, guys. Go and figure. Okay, so the Renegade's selling that much that we needed to order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Renegades just showed up, guys. What does that tell you? That it's a big selling or a high selling vehicle. Dealerships don't order this stuff just because, guys. So something obviously going on. Now I can see if it was and they got a nice spot for them too. I guess they're gonna put them all right here. I can see if this was charges and challenges. So this is how they get them off. Pretty neat. But again, at the end of the day, guys, it's a Renegade. Oh my goodness. Okay, we do have to look them over. You got to look them over first, don't you? Man, I don't know what you're talking about. So what if you find something wrong? Oh, you got to write it down? You responsible if they deliver a broke car and you didn't see it? Oh, wow. Why are we getting Renegades, man? I mean, come on. I mean, is they selling? Is a big seller? Nine of them? Man, you telling me that's all we needed? That's all? Oh, he not dropping them all off here. Oh, okay. That's okay. We only get 3, guys. A gray one, a black one, and a blue one. But even that, I guess we need something to go in this car, the lot. I mean, it's a nice looking car, guys. A mini, it's not a Ford or a sedan. It's like a mini SUV. But I wonder why we didn't get that red one. Why we didn't get the red one, man? I mean, who makes the decision around here? Me personally, I would have got the red one. You know. We don't get the red one, huh, buddy? Huh? We don't get the red one, huh? No, that's all you get right there. So my man said that's all we get. All right, maybe he's taking the rest of them to another Chrysler Jeep dealer. But we only got 3, guys. I was mistaken. I thought we had a need for Renegade. We were short on Renegades. I did see 3 people buy one last week, so maybe that's why we're trying to stay up on the stock. So he's likely headed to another Chrysler dealership. Let me get a good look at this transportation. Yeah, he's likely headed to another, because we still got some cars out here, guys. Remember, we're not abandoning our front lot. This is the lot that people can drive by and see. We don't want to just put everything in the car. You know, in the cage thing over there. So, but that's what's going on. Anyway, it's interesting. Renegades are still a hot seller. All right, guys. So we got another load yesterday. Another truck showed up, guys. Like I said before, man. When you getting truckloads full of cars, they still delivering cars. It's only one reason for that. They selling Renegades. Okay, these are 3 Renegades that the truck dropped off the other day. Y'all remember I thought we was about to get all those Renegades. I panicked a little bit. Like, who am I? And I'm sitting here going, why the hell we need all those Renegades? But Grand Cherokee, okay. I wonder did they leave the door unlocked? I want to know what's under here. What they delivering these Grand Cherokees with. Yes, the door's unlocked. Let's see what size. So the PDI guy hadn't got a hold of this one yet. I don't even think it's in the system. I want to see what's under the hood. It is, ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! Generation 3 Pentastar. Okay, so it can go either way. The Hemi, I think some of the Grand Cherokee, the superchargers in it, but this one has the Generation 3. All the Grand Cherokees from 16 and up gonna have the Gen 3. If it's equipped with a Pentastar, it will be the Gen 3. That's when they started Gen 3, guys. So, like I say, no more tip them. So, it shouldn't take long for that. And don't panic. All the parts, all the valve train has been upgraded, guys. Minivan still selling well. Pacifica, that is. Not the Dodge Grand Caravan. That's done and gone, okay? Yes, all of these. In fact, all of 2017. That's when the Pacifica showed up. They all are equipped with the Gen 3 Pentastar. I want to say this one has a Pentastar too. Oh, I'm not sure what this Dodge. Is this a Durango? Yes. Oh, hear me, guys. Okay, so not all of them. Now this one can also go either way, guys. As far as Pentastar or Hemi. Let's take a look under here. Yes, typical 392. I want to say 5.7 Hemi. How much I'd rather have this one. Okay. Only difference is price. I'm sure it's $1,500 with a Hemi e-torque. Okay, so yes, we do have some 1500s with the e-torque engine in it. 2500 Cummins, another 25. Yes, man, the Dodge Ram lineup as far as diesel goes. We are now stocking these. I have yet to dually. I was just going to say that I have yet to see one with a dually, but I was about to speak too soon. We do happen to have one, so you can now come to this dealership and purchase your dually 3500 heavy duty Cummins diesel truck. Okay, the only reason I can see or understand someone having one of these, this do a lot, is work related. Okay, transportation, carrying something, pulling something. I don't know anyone just happen to own a diesel vehicle for luxury purposes. It just don't seem right. All right, so guys, that's a little tour of the what just been delivered. Now over there is trade-ins, so it'd be nice to know what these guys got. Somebody traded in Cherokee. All those are trade-ins. You can see the writing on the wall on the windshield. They may end up in the used car department to see what the inspection reveal. From there, I think that's where they decide if they're gonna try to resell it based off the used car inspection initial reporting. Okay, that's why I always go to the used car department and get new material. But yes, guys, we doing fairly well here. Hey, I know the truck didn't deliver this little baby. In fact, I don't know what that is. Nice little cute car. That's my buddy truck, guys. He real cool dude. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.